Let's talk a little bit more about the elimination method. Our main goal here is to be able to cancel out either the x variable or the y variable. In this case, neither one will cancel out. So we have to multiply the first equation by 2 in order to cancel out the x variable. We distribute the 2 to each term, which gives us 4x plus 4y equals 28. Now we can add both equations. 4x and negative 4x cancel out. 4y plus 6y equals 10y, and 28 plus 16 is 44. Now we divide both sides by 10, so y is equal to 4.4. In order to solve for the x variable, we have to plug 4.4 back into one of our equations. I'm going to use the original equation, so we have 2x plus 2 times 4.4 equals 14. 2 times 4.4 simplifies to 8.8. We subtract 8.8 from both sides to get 2x equals 5.2, and then we divide both sides by 2 to get x equals 2.6. So our final answer is 2.6, 4.4.